Hello guys, this is me, Kay from Panda Riders, and it's almost the end of 2018, and this is going to be the last video of 2018, I think, and I'm going to upload this video, let's see, tomorrow morning or maybe tonight. Yes, maybe tonight I'll upload this video. And this is like, also again, it's like driving video. Okay, so Chengdu, yes, I'm still in Chengdu, and today I had like a kind of a little bit, I was free. Okay, so I thought let's make some video, so I made it. So here is, I'm recording from a GoPro is on my windshield. Here is my phone. Okay, I can watch that phone, that's what I'm recording. And today it's raining. Yeah, it's raining all the day. Yesterday it started raining, and it's like sub-zero degrees Celsius, maybe 1 or 0 or like -1. I just know I saw some snowflakes. All right, so yes, it's gonna snow. Last time we had a snow like maybe 15 years ago. Yes, so hopefully we can see some snow tonight or maybe tomorrow morning. Hopefully, yes, we want to see some snow. So enjoy the video. All right, what else? Nothing. Enjoy, and let's see, let's watch some video first. Okay, then I'll talk to you later. Bye.对，很清楚现在。
晚上他不着急。
我不着急。
天冷得很。
外面冷得很，我在担心佳佳。
喝少了吧？
不是，他们那个 TV， 你晓得是老式。
他不让。他不让跳舞。
你给老师说了吗？好。
他带线没有？
没带。他嗓在后面，他没叫。
饭带了吗？油带了吗？
饭带了。我一个里面全是装的那个萝卜，没带糖。然后是另外一个是高。
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spit slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay and last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Okay guys, this is the end of our video, and hope you like that video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and we'll see you next year in 2019, and wish you very happy new year. Okay, and bye bye.